So guys, I am going to lose out this twist out now. Let's see how it works. I'm going on with the the main choice Egyptian mask to see what's gonna do, like if it's gonna be oily or anything. This is usually the end result of the twist out. If you remember, I was doing the twist out. This is the end result. I did sleep with this overnight, so hopefully it's dry. And let's just get into this video. Let's see how we twist it out. Excuse that big ass pimple I have in my face, guys. I really don't know. Like, I've been drinking the Main Choice hair vitamin, and it has been breaking me out. I never break out, so this is like something new for me. So I guess I have to drink more water, like they say. But it's so annoying to have to like focus on drinking water when in reality, like, you just wanted something that was good. So if you see a little fluffy hair right here, this is my son. He just wants to play with his cars right here. So he'll be just passing by, guys.
So far, like, the Main Choice product has not, like, made my hair fall out more. And, you know, that's something that's really important for me, that my hair does not fall out. Let's just focus on this side of this. So I'm gonna go ahead and lose all this out and then show you guys how I fluff it out.
Sorry guys, I'm using like the camera as my mirror. So I have been like a sleeping natural for quite a while, guys. So I have been like a sleeping natural for quite a while. It's like this natural that does nothing with her hair, that kind of just braids it and just, I guess, not do much. Like, so now since you guys asked me to get a channel, start doing tutorials and stuff like that, so it kind of like make me want to learn more about natural hair, and makes me want to, like, you know, get into this whole natural hair scene and dilemma. Because you want to, like, take care of your hair. I think everybody, that's like the ultimate goal. Everybody wants to have this nice flawless hair, but not many of us know how to get there. I'm one of those. My little sister does have a natural hair channel, and it's actually really good. I suggest you guys go and subscribe. So I kind of just play with it, basically, to give it like a style type of thing. I just fluff it out because my hair like strings a lot. Like in 2 seconds my hair is already like strung. So this is it, guys. This is the look. Let me know if you like it. Comment down below. You know, this is only my second video, so it's not such a great hairstyle. I remember I have no mirror. I'm using like the camera as a mirror, so it's not really like how to say, like, I can't really see what I'm doing. Basically, I don't know where to fluff out. I'm just guessing, like maybe right here, maybe right there, and you fluff it out here and there, and you keep it moving. Basically, that's all. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you guys next time. Please stay tuned. The videos are going to get better. The quality, also the hair tutorials and stuff like that, because I am going to be learning, so I can only get better. So don't get discouraged because this is not like what you thought it will be, and just think, oh, I don't want to watch her anymore. I promise you guys that I am going to get better, but this is just like the first videos. I'm not really like a tutorial vlogger. I'm more like a vlogger, like, you know, daily life vlogger. So if you guys want to follow me in my daily life and know what I do and see the craziness, this is my channel right here, my vlogging channel. It's mine and my family. And if you guys want to follow my little sister, that she does have better hair tutorials, but it's in Spanish. If you guys speak Spanish, it's this one here. Go follow her. She does really good ones as well. And this is it, guys. See you next time. Bye bye. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So guys, make sure to like, comment, and please subscribe, okay? I will get better. If you have any tips to tell me like what to do with my hair and minimize breakage, because my hair breaks a lot, let me know down in the comments. Write that in the comments. If you have any like recipes and anything, write that in the comments as well. Bye.